Hey, what's up? This is chicken manure. I need to mix this in with my carbon right quick. So I'm always getting a question of what's the best fertilizer to use out there. What do you use? Well, today I want to answer that question for the 13,000th time. Look, there's absolutely no fertilizer better than compost. None out there. The only difference, between synthetic fertilizer being better is because it works faster, but it ends there. And the problems that you're going to have after that is immense. So the best thing to do is compost on your lawn. If you can't compost, because you have to take this stuff and put it off inside a compost roller and spread it across your whole lawn. And that might be a daunting task for a lot of people. So the next best thing that you can do, it's not the next best, but it's really up there. You can make your own compost tea. And I'm about to show you how to make it real quick. And it's real simple. You need to go and get all these products here. You're also going to need a bucket of water. And before you use this, you need to take this bucket of water, let it sit out in the sun for a few days. What you want to do is get the chlorine out of here. Chlorine is a bacteria killer, and you are trying to grow bacteria. There's some humic acid, some liquid kelp. You want to use some blackstrap molasses, or they have liquid kelp with the fish fertilizer already together, or just get your fish fertilizer. You want to get all those products. Then I want you to throw in some yeast. Now, after you got all those products together, I need you to get some type of paint strainer or something like this in a rock. So you're going to put like 4 scoops of the compost off inside of this container here, off inside this bag here, and a rock. So it'll fall deep inside the bucket of water. 3 ounces of each one of these. 3 ounces of humic, 3 ounces of the organic kelp, 3 ounces of the blackstrap, 3 ounces of the fish fertilizer, 3 ounces of the instant dry. After you get all of that and you put that off into the water, you take your 4 scoops of compost with the rock, you drop it off in there. Now you just let this sit for about a week. And if you want to take it to the next level to even keep more microbes alive while this process is going on, go and get you like a $7 fish pump. Throw it off into the water, and you will be on your way to making a 5-gallon bucket have as much microbes in it as a whole truckload of this. This way you can put it in your pump sprayer. Something like this Vivor that I bought, put it in your pump sprayer. Now you can spray it all over the lawn. Before you go out there and put it on your lawn, I need to tell you something. You need to dilute this. If you use the aerator, I want you to dilute it 5-to-1. And if you don't use the aerator, use 10-to-1. The aerator, AKA the fish pump. So basically to make it easier for you, if you go and buy you a 4-gallon pump sprayer like this, I want you to put 50 ounces in it and then fill it up with the water. And if you want to, that'll be 10-to-1. And if you want to do 5-to-1, you can put 100 ounces in it and then fill it up with water. And literally, when I do my compost, all I do afterwards, I mulch all my clippings. I mulch my clippings and I mulch the leaves that fall into the lawn. I use that. And then I just do my pimp juice, which is basically all these products that you use to make the compost tea. Well, I just put this off in the pump sprayer minus that, and I just spray this every so often, every week or so, or something like that. That's it. So no fertilizers, just this.